All right, everybody. I'm doing a new walk around of my portable workbench because I finally got plans done for it. So, you probably saw all this once before. Swinging this thing around, let you look at my dirty floor down. And so let's just give a walk around with some more details about this thing. So, you can cut holes in this, put clamps, whatever, and little cross connectors. You can actually put a shelf on that if you want to, but whenever you go to fold it up, you got to take it apart, or anything you got on it, you got to take it off. So, now you can see details. Always put corner braces on. Now, this table here was actually made out of deck wood. You can make this thing out of anything. So I made it out of deck boards. You can see I used deck screws in it too, but you can use drywall screws. I use 1/2-inch bolts, washers. You can probably go with 3/8, no problem. And now in the plans, I have this as 2 boards, and they're 2x4s. Of course, this thing here is a 1.5 by 1.5, and so you can see now. Down here, you can put a top on this thing if you want to. Make you some storage down in here. See? So, I'm gonna let this thing down. And you can be pretty rough with it, because you're not gonna hurt anything. You can put holes here in the side of the legs to clamp stuff up, or, whatever you want to do with it. Personally, I've come to hate the holes. And I'm going to build another one of these. And I might just, I get ready to build it, do a complete build, and let everybody look at that. See the wheels under here. Of course, they're locking wheels. And you can also, right here, I got a bolt, the T-nut in here to adjust this front end wherever you want it. But you can put a set of wheels on this thing too, roll the whole thing around. And I think I can show you the detail here. Yeah, you can see what that looks like. So, anyway, I should have some plans up here pretty soon, probably as soon as I launch this video, and they're going to be pretty cheap. So, y'all have a good day now.